Hi children, good afternoon. Welcome back to today's class. In today's class, let us learn a new concept, that is measuring capacity. Comparing capacities. This bucket is filled with water. This mug is filled with water. The bucket holds more water than the mug. The mug holds less water than the bucket. The words more and less tells us about the quantity of the water in these containers. The quantity of water or liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. I am repeating it again. The quantity of water or liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. Read the question given. Compare the quantity of water. Write M for more and L for less. Here you can see two identical glasses, but the quantity of the water differs. So what you have to do? You have to compare the quantity of water and mark M for more and L for less. So first glass holds, it has got less water, so you have to mark L. So the second one has got more water, write down M. Next one, you have to compare the quantity of water in the jug. So first one holds more water and this jug, the second one has got less water in it. So mark L. Which holds more water, the bottle or the glass? Here you have to compare the capacity. Here the bottle holds more water and the glass holds less water. So I am giving a tick here. Read the question given. Which holds less water, the pot or the glass? So you have to compare the capacity of the containers. So here pot holds more water and the glass holds less water. So I have given a tick below the glass. Next example. How many glasses fill each container? Write the number. So you have to count how many glasses fill this container. So how many glasses? 1, 2, 3, 4. Write down 4. Next one, there is a pan. Check how many glasses will fill this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down 6. Now we will complete page number 118 in New Guided Mathematics textbook, that is exercise 10.4. Read the question, match the following. So here you have to compare the capacity and then you have to mark it accordingly. So this tank holds, it can hold more water compared to other three containers. So mark to the most capacity. This bucket holds less water compared to tank. So mark it with more capacity. So already one is marked. The left out I am marking with this, that is least capacity. Second one, color the one that holds more. So you have to compare the capacity of the containers and you have to color it. This you are doing it as homework. Moving on to revision part, you have to copy this on the other side of your maths classwork. You have to continue. What is given? Days of the week. So you have to start from Monday till Sunday. You have to write it one time. Children, just copying won't help you in any way. You have to read the spellings, then you have to write it in your classbook. MONDAY Monday, TUESDAY Tuesday, WEDNESDAY Wednesday, THURSDAY Thursday, FRIDAY Friday, SATURDAY Saturday, SUNDAY Sunday. So next it is add the following. So here you have got sums with and without carrying also. So you have to check, then do. First one, add 53 plus 42. As you know it very well, we have to always start adding from ones place. So 3 plus 2, 3 in the mind, 2 on the finger. After 3, 4, 5. Write down 5 below ones place. Next, moving on to tens number. So what are the numbers? 5 and 4. Put it together, 5 in the mind, 4 on the fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write down 9 below tens place. 95 is the sum, that is the answer. Next one, add 41 plus 30. starting from 1's place, any number added to 0 will get same number as answer. 1 plus 0 gives you 1. 4 plus 3, it is 7. 71 is the sum. Next, add 63 plus 13. Start from 1's place. 3 plus 3 gives you 6. Next, 6 in the mind, 1 on the finger. After 6, 7. 76 is the sum. So, these three sums are without carrying. You have got 4th, 5th, 6th with carrying. Yes. Next sum, 38 plus 42. Start from 1's place. 8 plus 2, 8 in the mind, 2 on the fingers. After 8, 9, 10. Write 0 and carry 1 to the tens number. So, 3 plus 1 gives you 4. 4 plus 4, it is 8. So, 80 is the answer. Next sum, 49 plus 34. You have to start from 1's place. 9 plus 4, 9 in the mind, 4 on the fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Write 3 and carry 1 to the tens number. 4 plus 1, it is 5. 5 plus 3, it is 8. 83 is the answer. Last sum, 66 plus 16. 6 plus 6 gives you 12. Write 2 and carry 1 to the tens number. 6 plus 1, it is 7. 7 plus 1, it is 8. 82 is the answer. Here ends today's session. Bye. Take care.